So let's come outside and give this thing a go. I'm just going to select, this is my station, put the boat into reverse, SABIKI mode comes up, there you go, select it, now I'm in SABIKI mode. So because I've set it, those outboard motors are holding the boat on exactly the same orientation that I left it, and just by using the throttle I can choose to actually hold on the spot, go up against the wind or the current, or drop the revs off and actually have a slow drift down current. And I can make adjustments as I go just by using little increments. Hitting the buttons there now, and I'm turning those motors left and right. So it just saves the need to have a steering wheel out here when I can do it all in one hand with the push of a button on my thumb.